That's a really important question to consider right from the start.
Absolutely. The installation guide has a whole section dedicated to deployment considerations.
One of the first things it highlights is where you can actually deploy Splunk Enterprise Security.
Right, it mentions on-premises, on Splunk cloud platform, or even in a hybrid setup.
But it does point out that a hybrid search configuration isn't supported with Splunk Cloud Platform.
So if you're thinking hybrid with cloud, you'd need an on-premises ES search head.
And with any hybrid setup, you'll need to account for things like latency and bandwidth.
Makes sense. The guide also talks about single instance versus distributed search deployments.
Exactly. It notes that a single instance is usually preferred for labs or smaller systems.
While a distributed setup with dedicated search heads and indexers is the way to go for production.
And if you're going distributed, they strongly recommend using an indexer cluster for better performance.
It also touches on installing in virtualized environments, which is good to know.
And for those with really large data volumes, say a terabyte or more per day,
The guide advises working with Splunk Professional Services for deployment architecture.
so the scale of your environment really drives a lot of these considerations.